Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. Click that subscribe button, and if you're not new, then thanks for coming back. Today we're testing out another product. I have been wanting one of these for a long time. Not necessarily this brand, but this concept of device, the type of device that sucks the stuff out of your face. So I came across this. I decided after, I don't know, I've been looking at these for like 10 plus years now, decided to finally get one. So I got one. This one was only $29. I think it was, this says $29, but I don't know how much I actually paid for it. We're gonna go with $29. I know it wasn't super expensive, but I already took it out of the box because you do have to charge it. So I did charge it. I'm going to go over what comes in the box, and I'm also going to do before and after. So this is just the start of the video. Okay, so inside the box, you have 3 different nozzles. You also have the cord, and then the device is in there, along with some paperwork and some little filter things. So with the 3 different devices, you have one that has a slightly larger hole, then one that is a little bit smaller, and the last one is for those hard to reach areas. It has more of like a pointed oval tip to it. And then the device comes with the diamond scrub thing. So this is supposed to improve the appearance of dry patches, fine lines and wrinkles, pore size, age spots, firmness, blackheads, whiteheads, and acne scarring. I did read through some of the paperwork. That's how I know what all of those little pieces are for. It does say that you should use this for a month to see like the final results. Well, it shows you right here. So this is before, and then this is 1 month of using it. I think you're only supposed to use this maybe once a week. I will be honest, I have a photo facial appointment coming up in 2 weeks. So I will only be using this for 2 weeks because I know that the facial is going to drastically change, or I hope it does, change the appearance of my skin. I'm going to use this 3 times. Yeah, I know it says like use once a week, but y'all know I like to do extra stuff. So I'm actually gonna try to use this 3 times before I come back and give the overall results. Comes with the plastic cover on it. I'm not going to take that off. This just pops on and off, and you take this little white rubber part out, and that's where you put the filter in. I'm going to try this one first. So it says you should do this twice. So you go like this one way all the way across your face, and then you go like this all the way down. So I'm going to try with the diamond crystal part first, and then I'm going to, when I do the second round, I'm going to go in and use these different ones. I know for sure I will use this for my nose area. I feel like this will be really satisfying because people don't get close enough to see, but I have very large pores and they are very, very clogged. So for sure I'm going to use that one, and then either one of these, don't know yet. But when you turn it on, it has like a little fan. You can't really see it, but there's like a little fan thing there. It shows like your battery life, and then it shows the level of the speed. So it goes up to 5 speeds. Let's just start out on 3 and see how that goes. So I'm gonna start this way. You're not supposed to, oh, I can feel the suction. I can definitely feel the suction. You're not supposed to press or anything. It makes a little like cupping noise when you pull it off. I don't really see anything on the inside of there. I'm hoping when I use this, I'll actually see something. I know this diamond head part is more for like the microdermabrasion. Oh, it's definitely sucking. It says do not leave it in one spot. I think you'll get like a face hickey if you leave it in one spot. So definitely there's a lot of suction, y'all. There's a lot of suction. I'm like half blind. Oh, I'm turning red. I was already a little bit red right here, but I'm kind of turning red from this, which isn't good because I planned on filming another video after this, and I'm gonna look really stupid. So I know I'm not supposed to, like it says to just continue to go the same way, but I'm kind of struggling doing it this way. So on this side of my face, I'm just gonna do this. I will say that this diamond part, it definitely does feel more scrubby. There is a lot of suction happening. And I can hear it, like, I can hear it. Let's do my nose really quick. I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to do. My nose is, my pores are so big. It's disgusting. I don't see anything in there. Let's just try this smaller. This is the smaller circle. When I get to my nose and this area, I will switch to this one. Now I've seen like I watched a lot of videos on this type of device and this device in general. A lot of people showed like before and after, but it was just like before and then they used it one time, so you don't actually see the results. And y'all know I like to fully test things and show y'all like the results. So we're gonna do this for 2 weeks. Honestly, y'all, I'm not seeing anything come out, but I don't have like there's not much that's gonna come out of my forehead. It's not like, you know, there's whiteheads or anything. I expect a lot to come out of my nose, but we'll see. I mean, there's definitely suction there. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be going down. I'm such an idiot. I'm supposed to be doing, so you're supposed to go, it's, they called it cross hatching, like that drawing technique, I think. So, my bad. Y'all know I'm learning with y'all. We're learning it together. But look at it like sucking. It's definitely, there is some suction there. And it's turning me red. Not seeing anything in there though. The person that I saw using this, that I like watched her video, there was like some stuff in there, but, and her skin didn't look bad, so I don't know. My face is washed. I did wash my face before I sat down, so it does say to make sure that you've cleansed your skin and everything before. I think going in a downward motion is a lot easier. Definitely starting to turn red. So I don't know if I would do this before I had to go somewhere or before I'm gonna film a whole nother video. I'm kind of seeing some. Not enough to be satisfying. Like, not like the Dr. Pimple Popper. It's not that. And then I think to wash this, you just, you know, use soap and water. Let's get into this angled, oval shaped one. So we're on level 3. Let's go to level 4. Let's see how that, oh, some stuff came out like on the first swipe, y'all. Oh my God. I don't want to have hickeys on my face though, because that would be disgusting. Yeah, I'm seeing some stuff. Well, still not enough to be satisfying, but I'm seeing some stuff. But I don't know if you can tell, like my pores, we're family now, right? My pores are super big. So it's like a face vacuum. It's getting red. I feel like if I didn't have it on level 4, I wouldn't be as red, but I also feel like, ew. I also feel like it wouldn't be sucking the stuff out. If you don't like Biore strips, this might be a good alternative. Okay, so it's kind of, I'll turn this off for a second. So it's kind of disgusting. What I've noticed with this tip is it's a little bit wide. If any air gets in there, like if this is not fully covered with your skin, it's not sucking. So in the nose area, this might be better if it was like not as wide. Maybe it just, I don't have a good shaped nose. I don't know, but I don't know if you can see it in there. Can you see? Look how nasty. I feel dirty showing all this shit. It's disgusting. But I just need to keep doing it now. I feel like, let me look and see. So I kind of feel like, you know, if you look at your pores, you can see they're clogged. It doesn't look as clogged, does that make sense? It doesn't look as clogged as it was. So I think I like speed number 4, but my skin is just disgusting. Let me take this off. and show y'all. So inside there is a filter. So I guess if you get like a lot of stuff, it doesn't go down into the machine and you can change the filter, which is a good thing. I don't think you're gonna suck out that much stuff, but can you see it from this end? Like it's, I don't know if you can see it. Don't know, but look at that. That's so disgusting. Okay, so I'm gonna use this for 2 weeks. I'm going to use this 2 more times. It does say to only use it like once a week, but I'm gonna use it 3, and I don't think that's a big deal because my skin is very oily. My pores get clogged very easily. So definitely in here, I don't think I need it as much in the rest of my face, but definitely in here, I could use it. I'm going to go and rinse my face off and put some toner and everything on. And I will check back in. I'll probably check back in after I use it the second time so we can see if I've learned anything new or if there are any differences. And then I'll come back for the last time to do a final hurrah of how this thing works. Does this thing really work? We'll see. It's been 2 weeks and we are back, and a lot of stuff has happened with this amazing little device. Let me tell you. So, the day I used it and I showed y'all, I felt like a lot of stuff did not come out like would normally come out if I was to sit there and pick at my face. When I got out of the shower that night, I take burning hot showers because why not? The steam really opens up your pores. So I thought, let me try to use this now that my pores are really open. And so much stuff came out. It was disgustingly amazing and satisfying and nasty and everything. I was like, oh my God, I mean, look at how much. It was so nasty. So I would definitely recommend you using this after you have used a hot compress or had a very hot shower or something. They do have like steam machines for your face. I actually saw one at Walmart today, but it was like $50 and I could just use this after I get out of the shower. So I'm not buying a steam machine, but if you have one, I would recommend using that. The next thing I would say is cleaning this. This is the only one I really used other than the Microdermabrasion one. Cleaning this, you're not going to be able to just clean this with soap and water because the nasty is stuck in there. So you can use a Q-tip or you can take a baby wipe. If you have baby wipes, take the pointy end, push it up and then pull it and it'll pull all the nasty out, and then go and use soap and water after that. Because I tried just soap and water, just running the water, and it doesn't just come out. You really need to get something in there to clean it. All in all, I would say this is amazing just because, I don't know if you can tell, but there was an under the skin bump here. It's been there for months. And then I also had one over here. These last me forever. This one, it feels like maybe the size of 3 grains of sand. This one is completely gone. And I feel like it's from using this device because this is a newer one. So realistically, I should still be able to feel it. They're normally not visible to other people, but I can feel them if I apply pressure, and I don't even feel this one. So that's amazing. If you can see Coco back there, she's walking around. Mom life over here. Anyway, I do think that my pores look smaller and they are a lot less clogged. I noticed over time with using this, I was getting less and less. I was using it more than once a week. I told y'all I was going to, and I told y'all I was not supposed to, but I did. So I did see less and less coming out. I saw more results as time went on. I will say what I think the downside would be that this pulls on your skin, and as somebody who's getting older, I don't necessarily want that, especially in this area, because there is some suction. Y'all could hear it in the beginning part of the video. There is definitely some suction happening. So my main focus, I'm definitely keeping this. Y'all know if I don't want something, if something doesn't work for me, I will return it and I will let y'all know. This one I am keeping, but I will only be using it in here because this is where I said I wanted my main focus was these bigger pores and my nose. So this is where I will continue to put my main focus, and maybe once a month or something, or every other week, I'll do my whole face. But this is definitely like a once a week thing for me for sure. Also, it's just really satisfying. Like, it's so satisfying. It does really open those pores up afterwards. So if you have somewhere to go, you may not want to do that first because those pores are open and they seem to be open for quite a while. They look pretty big. So here's a side by side. I do see a difference. Personally, my pores are smaller. They are definitely less clogged. The under the skin bump thing is amazing to me because when I get those, they literally last for months. Even though they're not visible to anybody else, I can feel them and they are there, and they are so irritating when I touch them because I'm the type of person who has to pick. So I hate that. So this thing is amazing. I would very much so recommend it. I feel like this with the Derma roller together, like if you combine, because I didn't use my Derma roller or anything else, just my normal nighttime serums, if you combine this with the Derma roller, you would probably see amazing results pretty freaking quickly. So yes to this. I don't think that I see a major difference in like dark spots diminishing, but I think that I did have a dark spot here, I think. And I think it like kind of flaked off after using this, but, this is a go. This is a go from Twins Times 2 over here. This is a go from Shannon, okay? So, because my opinion matters in the realm of reviews and things. I do like this, though. If you haven't checked out the Derma Roller video, check that out. And I am going to vlog my photo facial that is happening tomorrow and my experience with that. Anyway, I hope this video helped y'all. I appreciate all of you. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye!